Hey everyone, today we are exploring how to use Ggives with Shopee to shop and pay in installments. Ggives lets you make purchases on Shopee and pay in installments. Let's get started. First, launch the Shopee app and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Once your items are in the cart, go to your cart and click checkout here. After that, in the payment options, select Ggives. Choose the installment plan that suits your budget and fill in the required details here. Here is the installment 12x, 6x, 3x. There are different options. Select the one that suits you. Review your order, and once everything looks good, confirm your purchase by clicking the confirm button here. Now you will pay in installments according to the plan you selected. Ggives makes it easier to manage your budget while shopping on Shopee. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.